Basta sumunod lang. Go out and hunt for them. Arrest them if still possible. If not, then if he presents a danger to you, puts up a violent resistance, jeopardizing your life, shoot. That has always been my order. Magtanong ka na isang pulis dito kung may sinabi ako na patayin mo yan si Dilima. O patayin mo yung sino. Never order. Kasi
That's disturbing to me. Lahat naman ng mga nagiging statements niya sa mga tungkol sa patayan is already disturbing. But to me, this is doubly disturbing to me personally. I take it as a veiled threat. Why all of a sudden babanggitin ako tungkol sa patayan? Kahit sinabi niyang magtanong ka ng isang pulis dito kung may sinabi ako na patayin mo yang si Dilima o patayin mo yang si ano. Never ordered. Sinabi ko lang yan. So is that a subconscious slip, sort of a Freudian slip? Alam ko naman yan, I'm always top of his mind. Kapag sinabi na niya yung tungkol sa droga, you can be sure na akong isusunod niya. But this is the first time na nagbabanggit siya about patay. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? So I'm taking this seriously. This is a weird threat. May tawag dito sa ganitong statement, negative something eh.